Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this origami envelope. It's a very simple model, good for last minute greeting cards or invitations. So to start, just take a rectangular piece of paper, which can be either an A4 or a letter size, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna place it like that and fold the top left corner towards the right edge, like this. Then you're gonna take the top corner again and fold it towards this point here, just sort of folding this triangle in half. And now you're gonna fold the triangle in half again by grabbing one flap of paper here and bring it towards the right side, there. Now you're gonna unfold everything. You're gonna turn the paper over and then rotate it like that. And now make sure that you have the same crease pattern as I do here. Now we're gonna take the bottom right corner and bring it towards this point here where all the creases cross. Now we're gonna make the pleats, and to do so, just basically fold the paper down and up multiple times. And there's no exact number of pleats that you need to make. It's basically only going to affect the shape of the leaf there. The only thing you need to make sure is that your pleats are even. So you want to make them equal width all across. And a good guideline to follow is when you're folding the paper upwards, make sure that the corner of the paper meets this sort of crease right in the center. As you can see there, I'm just trying to make them more even as I go. But we're almost done there. Then last fold. Okay. Now you should have something like that. Make sure it's flat. And turn your paper over again. Now you're gonna grab the bottom right corner and fold it along the existing crease here. And as you fold, the paper is going to resist because there are many pleats. Just make sure that they're flat for now. And now we're gonna move on to the top part, and we're gonna fold the bottom corner, the top corners towards this line here. And do the same on the other side. And now you're gonna grab that corner here and bring it to here. And when you do that, this edge should align with the crease right there. Next thing, you're gonna fold the bottom corner upwards along the existing crease. And as you do that, you're gonna basically turn your leaf like that. And you can make a few adjustments just to make sure it's even. So we're almost done there. Now you're gonna fold an entire model like that towards the back, and there's no exact sort of measurement where you fold, just sort of eyeball it. That looks good. And now lastly, grab it the bottom, fold it towards the top like that, and you're gonna sort of tuck the paper under that flap here, as you can see. So we're just gonna slide it under. So this is pretty much it. This is your origami envelope ready, and you can put whatever you need to put inside right there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below. See you guys next time.